Did you think creating professional apps would be easy? I did. I've discovered how thousands of entrepreneurs are using AI tools to build apps that generate real revenue without any coding experience. But it was a struggle at first. Most people get overwhelmed by complex platforms or think they need expensive developers. I wish I'd known how to combine these AI tools smarter from the beginning. So to help you make app creation easier, here are 7 proven steps I learned that will help you build professional applications like a seasoned developer. Most people have incredible app ideas, but never build them because they assume it requires years of coding knowledge or thousands of dollars in development costs. Consequently, brilliant concepts remain trapped in notebooks instead of becoming profitable realities. That's why the combination of Base 44's AI platform and ChatGPT's planning capabilities creates pure magic for app development. Furthermore, this approach eliminates both technical barriers and financial obstacles completely. By the end of this video, you'll watch me build a complete personal finance management app from absolute scratch using only AI prompts and free tools. Moreover, you'll understand exactly how to generate professional app concepts and transform them into working applications that look like they cost thousands to develop. Additionally, you'll discover the insider secrets that make this process work like clockwork every single time. First, let me show you why combining ChatGPT with Base 44's AI is completely changing how applications get built. Traditional app development requires teams of specialists working for months at enormous costs. However, this AI combination can interpret your ideas and build functional applications in minutes. To illustrate what previously required six-figure budgets and year-long timelines now happens in a single afternoon using free resources. Here's exactly what makes this AI duo so revolutionary. First, ChatGPT acts as your expert business analyst and technical architect. Then it generates comprehensive app specifications that include every detail. Next, Base 44's AI interprets these specifications and builds the actual application. After that, the platform creates professional user interfaces automatically. Subsequently, it implements all the backend logic and database structures. Finally, you get a fully functional app without writing any code. The revolutionary part is that you communicate entirely in plain English. As a result, anyone with a good idea can become an app creator instantly, regardless of their technical background. Moreover, these AI tools learn from thousands of successful applications. Therefore, your app gets built using proven patterns and industry best practices that would normally require years of experience to understand. Now, let's create our app blueprint using ChatGPT's incredible planning abilities. Instead of spending weeks researching competitors and brainstorming features, we'll let AI do comprehensive market analysis instantly. Specifically, we're going to ask ChatGPT to create a complete personal finance app concept that solves real problems people face with money management. Open ChatGPT and type this exact prompt. Give me a well-structured idea for an app to manage my personal finances. Include the target audience, main problems it solves, unique value proposition, core features, and what makes it different from existing finance apps in the market. Subsequently, ChatGPT will analyze successful finance applications and generate something comprehensive like this. App name: FlowFi target audience: young professionals, freelancers, and students, ages 20 to 35, overwhelmed by traditional finance apps. Core problem: existing apps offer only overwhelming data and fail to help users understand their finances or build better money habits. Unique solution: a guided, gamified financial journey that combines visual spending tracking with micro-lessons and challenges to build lasting financial literacy and habits. Key features: smart expense tracking, financial habits and learning modules, goal-based saving, emotion-based spending insights, smart notifications, and an AI financial coach. The beauty of this approach is that ChatGPT considers market research, user psychology, and competitive analysis automatically. Furthermore, it creates concepts that address genuine user pain points rather than just adding more features. Once we have our concept, the next crucial step is getting specific technical requirements from ChatGPT. This is where most people get stuck because they don't know what technical features their finance app actually needs. However, ChatGPT can solve this problem by providing detailed specifications that Base 44's AI can understand perfectly. Ask ChatGPT this follow-up question. Now provide me with specific technical features this personal finance app should have. Include user management systems, data tracking capabilities, security measures, notification systems, integration requirements, and any other essential functionality. Be very specific about how each feature should work and interact with other components. As a result, ChatGPT will provide comprehensive specifications like app name, FlowFi target, audience young professionals, freelancers, and students, ages 20 to 35, overwhelmed by traditional finance apps. Core problem: existing apps offer only overwhelming data and fail to help users understand their finances or build better money habits. Unique solution: a guided, gamified financial journey that combines visual spending tracking with micro lessons and challenges to build lasting financial literacy and habits. Key features: smart expense tracking, financial habits and learning modules, goal-based saving, emotion-based spending insights, smart notifications, and an AI financial coach. Technical backbone: a secure, scalable, and AI-driven microservices architecture, security and identity, OAuth 2.0, JWT, and RBAC for secure, multi-role access. Data intelligence: a robust pipeline using Plaid for transaction ingestion, AI, LLM, and NLP for categorization and coaching, and behavioral analytics for personalized insights. Engagement engine: an event-driven notification system that delivers personalized, natural language messages to drive user habits. Scalable infrastructure: built on a modern stack, Node.js, PostgreSQL, React Native, with an API-first design for future expansion into investments and third-party integrations. Now that we have our detailed specifications, let's transform these requirements into a working application using Base44's powerful AI platform. Base44's AI platform functions like having an entire development team that understands exactly what you want and builds it instantly. Think of it as your personal app development genie that grants wishes through simple conversations. Here's how to get started with Base44. To begin creating your application, first, navigate to the Base44 website and go to its homepage. Once there, locate and click the Start Building button in the top right corner. This action will initiate the sign-up or login process. You can then select Log in with Google to register or sign in using your existing Google account. If you are already signed into Google on your browser, you can simply choose your account. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use Google, you have the option to enter your email address and continue from there. Next, you will need to grant Base44 access to your Google account when prompted. After you authorize this, Base44 will automatically redirect you to your personal workspace. Upon entering your workspace, you will see a page asking, "What would you build today?" Here, you can bring your app idea to life by typing a detailed description of the application you want to create into the large white text box. The platform immediately begins analyzing your requirements and creating the app structure. As a result, you can watch your personal finance app materialize in real time without any coding knowledge required. What makes Base44's AI exceptional is its understanding of modern app development standards. Furthermore, it automatically implements responsive design, data security protocols, and user experience optimizations that would typically require specialized expertise. The AI also provides intelligent suggestions based on successful applications in similar categories. For example, it might recommend adding gamification elements to make budgeting more engaging, or suggest social features that help users stay motivated toward their financial goals. Next, we supercharge the app with advanced financial features. The AI engine automatically generates spending pattern analysis, predictive budgeting, and a goal tracking system with progress visualization and celebrations, keeping users motivated and engaged. Security is paramount. The platform automatically implements bank-level encryption, multi-factor authentication, and fraud detection systems, ensuring compliance with strict regulations and building immediate trust with your users. Before launch, every feature is rigorously tested. We use built-in simulators to verify user workflows, performance across different devices, and the accuracy of all financial calculations and integrations, ensuring an exceptional user experience from day one. Deployment is instant. With a single click, your app is live on the web and app stores with no complex technical setup. The platform automatically handles server provisioning and optimization, allowing you to launch in minutes, not months. Finally, monetize your app with proven strategies. The AI helps you implement freemium models, multiple subscription tiers and partnerships, automatically handling all the complexity of payments and subscriptions so you can focus on growing your business. When comparing costs, the traditional development approach can range from $300,000 to $550,000 and take over 18 months. With this workflow, the investment is under $150 per month and allows you to launch in days, not years. I know some of you might have concerns, so let me address the most common ones. Can an AI-built app really compete on quality and functionality? Absolutely. The AI uses the same best practices and methodologies as professional teams. The platform generates robust, scalable code, ensuring a professional-grade application. What if I'm not technical enough? This approach is designed specifically for non-technical founders. The AI understands natural language and the platform handles the complex logic, allowing you to build and customize through simple conversations. How do I know my app idea will be successful? The key advantage is speed of iteration. You can launch quickly, get real user feedback, and pivot your features with minimal financial risk, efficiently finding product market fit. What about ongoing maintenance and updates? The platform automatically handles all technical maintenance, security patches, and server scaling. You can deploy new features instantly without worrying about infrastructure. Is it really possible to generate significant revenue? Yes. The personal finance market is multi-billion dollar. With a solid business model and by providing genuine value, you can build substantial recurring revenue through subscriptions and premium features. Now that you've seen the complete professional process from concept to launch, it's time to take decisive action and build your own finance application. The fundamental difference between successful entrepreneurs and those who remain dreamers is simple: taking consistent action on opportunities. You now possess everything necessary to create a professional finance app that could help thousands of people manage their money more effectively while generating substantial recurring revenue for your business. Don't wait for the perfect idea or until you learn more about app development. The tools are available right now, completely free to start. And every single day you delay represents a day your potential competitors might launch first in your target market. If you found this comprehensive tutorial valuable and actionable, please subscribe for more AI-powered business tutorials and strategies. Next week, I'm demonstrating how to use AI tools to create compelling marketing content that drives app downloads and user acquisition effectively. The week after that, we'll explore advanced Base 44 features for scaling your app business internationally and building multiple revenue streams. Your app business empire begins with a single application built using these proven strategies. The personal finance market represents a massive, underserved opportunity with millions of people actively struggling to manage their money effectively and seeking better digital solutions. There's absolutely no reason you can't capture your fair share of this enormous market using the AI tools and step-by-step strategies I've demonstrated throughout this tutorial. Stop waiting for permission, perfect conditions, or more knowledge. Start building your finance app today using these exact methods, and within 30 days, you could have paying users actively benefiting from an application you created from scratch, using nothing but AI tools and your creativity. The future belongs to entrepreneurs who embrace AI technology and take decisive action on opportunities. Make today the day you started your journey toward becoming a successful app entrepreneur and building the financial freedom you deserve. For more no-code tutorials on advanced integrations and even monetization, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.